Hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mitsuko. So today I am going to do a nice peachy cheeks. Eyes are going to be peachy also. This is inspired by the Fenty Resting Peach face, which I want to try for the first time, but I also want to do really nice peachy eyes. So I want to see how everything works together. So let's just get into it. I'm going to start with my eyes just because I always do that first. I'm going to use the Natasha Denona Sunrise palette, and yes, I love this palette. It is an obsession. I am going to use the shade Jasper, and this shade is beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to use the MAC brush 224 just to blend Jasper, and then I'm only using 2 shades for this look, so it should be quick and easy. So you want to blend the shade all over your lid just to get a nice wash of that. I know this Natasha Denona palette is more of like a summer palette, but trust me, you can use this during the fall as well, and that's why I like it. I'm just going to deepen the look with another shade, and I am using natural lighting for this, so I hope I'm not too washed out. From the Face Gun palette from Natasha Denona, I'm going to use the crease shade. So this one, small shadow brush from Sephora. Just put it all over my lid just to make it really dark. Okay, going back in with Jasper with the Makeup Forever brush, 242, and blend that. So I want to smoke my bottom lash line. I'm going back in with the crease shade from Natasha Denona and then put it on my bottom lash line. All over. Yeah. So I'm using the Sephora brush, going to use Jasper and smoke that. So I'm pretty happy with this eye. I'm going to go do the other, come back with lashes, and then we're done with the eyes. Initially, it was supposed to be peachy, but it turned out to be like a nice fall grungy eye, and I'm here for it. I love it. Yeah. Put on a half lash with mascara. I think it's cute. So let's just get into this set. So this is the gloss. This is Peach Pout. Just open it for you. Oh, pretty. So this is Peach Pout. Super cute. Super nice. This is a mini cream gloss. In person, it is like a lot more orange. Oh, it smells so sweet. Yeah, it smells good. It's cute. Let me see if I can add more. Look at it. She's cute. She's cute. I like this. Okay, now let's talk about the blush. So the blush is Peach Face. So this is the blush, and it's a full size cream Cheeks Out blush. Open it. Super nice. Super pretty. Now I just want to compare it to Fuego, because when Fenty first came out with the cream blushes, I purchased Fuego and Rose Latte. Now this is Fuego, and Fuego is a nice cream blush, but I was hoping Fuego was going to be as pigmented as the others. But Fuego is more of a, so this is Fuego. Like, look how beautiful this is. I thought it was going to be like the NARS Taj Mahal, but the cream version. Anyway, so this is what Fuego looks like. Yeah, she's very sheer. That's the thing. She gives you like a nice orange glow, but she just disappears, you know? I'm hoping that Peach Face will be very pigmented. So let's see. I'm just going to swatch it. Again, same texture as the others. Okay, let's see. Cute. Very nice. I'll add a little bit more just to see. There you go. Super nice. It looks like a very true peach. It really depends on my mood, but whenever I'm applying these blushes, I like to apply them either with a sponge or a brush, but it really depends on what you prefer. So I'm going to do both. So sponge on one side, brush on the other. Okay, so using my MAC brush number 129, I'm going to apply it on this side first. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, she's cute. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm just going to add more because I'm loving what I'm seeing. Let me see. Do you see this? Very nice. Oh, I love this one. It's cute. I want to see what it looks like with the sponge, so I'm going to use a clean beauty blender. Just going to take a little bit. Okay. Oh. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Super nice. Okay, I want to put a little bit on my nose bridge. I love this. I love it. I love it. Watch me put this all over my face. So I'm going to set my face. So my final thoughts on this set, I think it is amazing. I love orange blushes, orange, peach, whatever you call it, same family. I love those blushes, and I think they look great on the cheeks. They look beautiful on the skin, and I mean, look, it's amazing. I really like this, and it applies really well. It has a nice color payoff. It is buildable, and the application is flawless. Now, you saw me applying it with a brush and also with a sponge, and I'm pretty sure if you try to apply it with your fingers, you will get the same flawless look. And when it comes to the gloss is beautiful. I love it on my lip, and I feel like it suits the look. So that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to let me know what you think down below. And if you've enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.